Here we go to become a YouTube sensation. Welcome to my channel. Really never thought I would say this. My name is Marlenka and I've decided to create this channel really to go over my travels, see what I've learned from it, and even if you are a traveler and you want to, or a beginner, this is a great way to know how to stay organized, know what to pack, how to pack it. I'm gonna be doing a travel for a month in Southeast Asia and I'm gonna go by myself, which I feel there aren't that many videos on the internet about solo backpacking girls, so hopefully this can come in hand for you and you'll learn some tips and tricks, and let's start. So my hair is not cooperating at all today. I decided just to make this video about the liquids and really essentials that you should carry with you in every travel. So this is it. Everything fits right here. Really practical. I love this one. This one is by Samsonite. I'm not gonna try to do that again. And everything inside is pretty much waterproof, and even the packs on the inside are plastic and waterproof, which I find is really helpful in case there are any spills. And then I love using Ziploc bags to prevent for those spills. Just, you know, plan B. And let's start with this one. This is all of my makeup that I'm gonna be using for a full month. And I know what you're thinking. I'm a makeup artist and I know it can be tricky for a girl to restrain yourself when it comes to makeup, but Southeast Asia, you're gonna be melting. It's so hot. There's really no need for it. And at the end of the day, you also want the sun to like kind of touch your face, but you want to also want to reapply your SPF every 2 hours. So makeup is not gonna help with that. So I'm gonna show you what I have here. Alright, so first a nude lipstick and a colored lipstick, which is also my blush, a clear brow gel to tame those hairs, concealer and a luminizing setting powder, some primer and eyeshadows, which I'm only taking one brush, some eyeliner, mascara, and some lash glue. Now, Ziploc number 2 is going to be all your medicine. I like to carry it with me. When it comes to traveling with medicine, they have to come in the original container and it has to be like sealed and opened. Some of the medication that I take some polysporin for, you know, burns, and then some flu, night and day medicine, some gravel that you can take in, like, even to take a long flight because it makes you drowsy and kind of sleepy. So you can take like 2. But you know what? Go to the doctor and you know, chat with them. I'm sure they know more than me. But yeah, I'll take a gravel and that's gonna make me feel okay. And also for motion sickness, if you ever take a boat or in a car and it's bad, you can just take that. And also some Imodium because, you know, like travelers diarrhea, apparently that's a thing. I've never had it, but better be safe than sorry. Ziploc number 3. This is going to be most of my liquids, and I honestly most of these all come from hotels, and it's just like their shampoos, their conditioner, there's body, you know, shower gel things. I have a lip balm, some toothpaste, and then I have an eye cream and a moisturizer and an exfoliator. Very important to exfoliate, you know, keep the skin fresh and smooth. And then the Ziploc number 4 is going to be my big liquids. So I have some After Sun. This is like the biggest thing because I'm gonna need it. I have very tiny makeup remover in case I do need it. And then some hand sanitizer. I have 2 SPFs, a 30 and a 50 for both face and body. And then I have some DEET spray because there are some mean insects in Southeast Asia and may or may not have taken vaccinations. We'll leave that out in the open. All right, and now that we went through all of the Ziploc bags, let's see what I actually have on here. So the first one is going to have any sort of pads and kind of like first aid kit stuff. So, come on. All right, so you can see I have some pads, some alcohol, and you know, all those fun stuff. I also have one of these like cold relief pain patches in case like I get injured or like I have muscle ache. This can help out, which is nice. And then, you know, some feminine hygiene stuff, which you can't ignore. It is what it is. And then, you know, practical things, deodorant, some floss. And then I do carry with me a mini sewing kit just in case, and you can get something like this at, you know, the dollar store, Walmart, like anywhere. Oh, I think I broke it. No, it's out of place. I'll fix it later. I have some super glue, which you never know, but you may need it. And then, you know, sharpener, hair things. And this is how I carry my lashes. Look how cute. Looks like little spiders. I am taking, as I showed you before, a little small mascara, but I find that for me, lashes just work better. I apply them a lot faster than I do mascara, and then there's no issue with removing them. I can just like pluck them out, easy on the go. So I do find that this works better, especially like in the heat where your face is not melting. Toilet paper, because in specifically Southeast Asia, some areas they don't necessarily have toilet paper. I'm actually taking 5 of these, which is still not a lot, but I have one right here that I always take anywhere. And then a little comb. I'm taking 1 brush, as I mentioned before, and you know, some traveling toothbrush, Gillette, soap. It's gonna be, I feel like it's a lot more practical to take solid soap versus like body shower gel. I know I may have some there, I don't even know, to be honest. To remove my makeup, I only have that like little tiny one is for the eyes, so I actually am taking this makeup eraser. You just have to, you know, dampen in water and it removes everything. It does make your skin quite dry, but it's a month, it's okay, and I am carrying, you know, my skincare routine, so I think I'll be fine. Then I have some hair essentials and some wet wipes. And then again, things that I took from hotels. I'm like, hotels are gonna hate me, but I feel like everyone does this. Some Q-tips and a shower cap, and very important, safety pins. You never know when you're gonna need them, so this is very important. Alright guys, that concludes our video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any feedback, please let me know down below in the comment section. As this is my first video, I would love to hear some feedback, and yeah, like give a thumbs up. I think that's right. Whatever other YouTubers do, you know, do that for me. Subscribe, is that a thing? I think that's a thing. And how do you think I did? Good? Okay, good. My cat thinks I did good, which is okay. All right. Thank you so much again for tuning in, and let's keep following my journey.